Hello everyone, hope you all are staying positive and testing negative. I just wanted to do a real quick video in FreeCAD detailing one of the really powerful tools called the Revolve tool. So what we do is we want to go over here, make sure you open up FreeCAD, make sure that you go up here and press where start, or drop down, and open up part design. Click that and click create new. Okay, right here on the left in this combo view, click create body, start body, click create sketch, and let's say, XY plane. Select your XY plane, click OK. We're gonna try to make a very simple cup for now. It won't be anything too over the top. So what you want to do is you want to click on this line right here, polyline in sketch, and basically draw out a simple cross section of the cup that you're trying to make. Oh no, I accidentally clicked Control Z too many times, so just ignore that for a second. Okay. So again, click Create Polyline in Sketch, and then simply sketch out the 1/2 of the cross section of a cup. So just follow along with what I'm doing, and it will make sense in a moment. Okay, now once you come to the end right here, you want to make sure that you highlight this dot when you're going to click your last for your last time. Make sure you highlight this dot. Make sure see how it goes from red to yellow. You highlight it and click on it. That basically marries the 2 points together. Right click to deselect the tool, and you see now they're both coincident. Right. So this is a pretty terrible shape for a cup, right? Like, what is this? Just a line, but we'll get to it. So first we have to constrain it and make sure these two, this line, and this line are horizontal. So we click on each of them, highlight each of them, or you could just do Control and select, hit Control and select both of them to make them select both at the same time, make them horizontal. Select this one. Let's make this vertical, and let's make these two lines parallel to each other. There we go. Now right here, what is important is this is the axis around which we'll be revolving. This is our axis of symmetry. Let's make this a little taller cup. This is our axis of symmetry, so we want to have this line being connected to this line, because we don't want any we don't want any leaks in the bottom. So we click on the point, hold Control, click on this vertical axis, and click this fixed point onto an object line. Now this point lies on this vertical line. This is our vertical sketch axis, because this is our sketch, and this is the vertical axis of the sketch. It will be important later on. So click close. See, this is only like one cross section of a cup. Click close, and then you select this tool, this Revolve Selected Sketch tool. Go into Model, select your sketch, and click this Revolve Selected Sketch tool. And there you go. It automatically jumps to vertical sketch axis. But if you want to do any other axis, if you have maybe custom axes that you want to revolve around, you hit this select reference, and it'll probably let you select a different sketch axis. If we wanted to do it around the x-axis or the horizontal sketch axis instead, it'll probably look different. Oh yeah, revolved axis intersects the sketch. So you have to be very careful about what kinds of sketches you were doing. Okay, so don't follow along. I just want to try something out real quick. Let me double click to edit the sketch. And what if we were to make these 2 points coincident? Oh, we're done with constraints. Okay. Let's take this one and Make them tangential. No. Okay, constraint 12, delete, and 13, delete. There we go. Okay, I think that's better. Yeah. See, now this line is on the horizontal axis. But see where we could do if we could revolve around this axis, it's going to give us a different shape. So hit close, revolve selected sketch. See, now it's revolving around the z-axis, which is what we'd like to do, because now, see, it is now cup shaped. It took that sketch, it took that cross section of a sketch, and it revolved it around the axis that we selected. So we selected the vertical axis, but if we select the horizontal axis, see, it basically takes the profile that we made and revolves it around the horizontal axis of our sketch. And it gives us this UFO / lamp looking thing right here. It's a very strange, I don't know what you might call this, but this is basically taking that cross section, that L shape that we had from before, and revolving it around this axis instead. But since we would like to make a cup, we want it to be, that's my friend texting me. We want it to be set like this, so we click OK. And we could do a little bit of dressing up. We could take this edge and we could maybe round it off, let's say maybe 5 millimeters. Yeah, that's nice. Do 5 millimeters, then select this edge, make it rounded. Let's select these both edges maybe. Both of these edges, let's do a 3 millimeter fillet on both of them. Basically rounding the edges, make it look a little nicer. And there you go. There's your cup or potted plant or whatever you might like to have it. But yeah, if you want to edit the sketch, you just double click on the sketch in the model view. You basically open this Revolution, double click the sketch, and say you wanted it. Oh, I'm accidentally moving it around. Just hit on top, hit on this face to make it square again. Say you want to modify it a bit. Say you want the walls to be extra thick, for example. Basically modify the sketch, and how do you exit? Yeah, close the editing of the sketch. I believe that should be it. And there you go. There's your sketch edited. Now you have extremely thick sides. But that's how you basically make a cup in FreeCAD, and that's how you use the Revolve tool in FreeCAD. Thank you for sticking with me. Stay safe, take care of each other, and be well.